my Boontog. It's 8:30ish in the morning, 11th of December. And I'm down here in between the Tagbilaran Public Market and Island City Mall, and Ferris wheel caught my eye. So I had to come over and check out the Ferris wheels in town. I know last weekend there was a fiesta in Lowai, and there was a Ferris wheel over there, but I don't think this is it. I think this is a bigger one. I love how they power these Ferris wheels. They got some kind of a engine in there. What are we looking at? 4-banger. And we got a gearbox, automotive clutch, accelerator pedal, gear shift, no battery in it, and then it goes into this contraption, and the power comes out of there, but it's not hooked up to the drive shaft right now. I guess so nobody starts it and hurts themselves. Now, I don't see any spark plugs. No, that's a fuel pump. That's a diesel engine. And so that would turn that drive shaft, which would couple into that drive shaft, which would go through that bearing onto that sprocket, and it's missing something. So I don't know how they get it to go round and round. But what do I know? I'm not a Ferris wheel operator. But I thought I'd give you guys a peek. Killer Bee's over there. How in the fuck does this thing go round and round? I don't know, but that other abortion looking thing, that just looks like something to get your arm tangled in and fucking judo throwing around on the deck, beat to death. But they got all the pretty colors. I must admit, I do not ever recall going on a Ferris wheel because I am terrified of heights. Yeah, it blows me away. Oh, she set up here, wasn't here the other day. I'm sure they'll be connecting those drive shafts together and put a spin on the wheel. Yeah, how does that make that wheel turn? No drive chain going up there, is there? Some cable. What's on this cable doing? I don't know. Primitive. Effective though, I guess. Yeah, Ferris wheel operator. Doesn't even have a seat, but he's got a gas pedal, gear shift, and a clutch. So, Killer Bee, oh, we got another one over here. Didn't even see this one. I was too busy looking at that one. There's the Killer Bee. I spotted her. The pirate ship. Yeah. Oh, she's bright out here. Cool. We got a pirate ship, baby.
Yeah.
Ticket booth.
50 pesos each. Thank you.
60 pesos.
50.
You go in there, I'll give you 100 and I'll give you a kiss. Turn it into a kissing booth. All right, so what do we got in here? Eggplants, lemons, squash,
Lemon, squash, and
carrots.
spices. Yeah,
Nice. So we're gonna go for a bit of a couple of things to do down here. Yeah, I went this way and I was gonna pull in and park over by Fixed Right, but it was all blocked off over there. There's a truck blocking it. I couldn't get in back there. And then I drove around and parked over there. That's okay. We can still get that big table. Watch the curb, baby. Yeah. Here we are. She's busy. In the mall. Going to some air conditioning. Stay cool. Nothing's open yet. Well, the grocery store's open. Jollibee's open. Coffee shop's open. You Things are open. Morning, you guys. My Boontag. My Boontag. Coffee shop. Jollibees. Yeah, brown bread. We gotta get milk. And it is the season. La 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 la. La la la. But I think that's all I'm gonna do. Put the phone down for now. Hope you're all doing good. Check out some of my vids. And yeah. Okay, over and out for now. Bye.